wala nang pop-up, hindi na ako magpa-pop up kasi feeling ko sayang lang yung effort ko, sayang lang yung pagod ko, sayang lang yung gastos ko kung wala namang bibili, hindi naman ako maso-sold out, 'di ba? And yun na yung hook factor natin. Hi guys, this is Jem, your favorite baker's favorite baker, and these are the updates for the month of September. I have been doing pop-ups, weekend pop-ups for the past 2 months. And so far kasi napapansin ko lang na while it's been fun for me as a socially awkward person to exercise social interaction, it's very taxing kasi syempre kailangan matuto din kung paano prioritize mga bagay-bagay. Tapos usually gumagawa ako in bulk. So ang nangyayari is napaka-konti lang nung active days na nagsisell ako compared to sa days na nagpo-produce ako. So I thought na yun nga, starting this September mag-change na yun. Pero akin lang kasi I want to be the kind of baker na intentional, walang tapon. As much as possible fresh yung binibigay ko sa inyo guys. Like at least yung pinaka-latest na kaya kong ibigay is like up to 3 days fresh. Kasi I care about your health. I care about your stomach. Pumupunta ito sa inyong katawan. Nagiging energy nyo to. Ultimately, I just want you guys to be healthy. I just want me to be healthy para mabawasan na yung, yun nga, mental, physical stress. Also, I just wanted to be convenient for you guys. So, ngayon, ang changes na gagawin natin for September is purely online-based na lang tayo, and I will be operating as many days as I can. I will be baking every day except Monday and Tuesday kasi yun yung rest and restock days ko. And yeah, hopefully, mas maging okay yung flow nung business na to. And hopefully guys, you'll understand. As much as I want to be out there in the community, at this state ng business, I have to like be strategic, diba? To make use of what I have. And right now, yung pinaka-valuable resource na meron ako ay sarili ko. So, I hope you guys understand. I will miss the pop-ups. May miss kong tumambay sa harap ng Index Salon. But guys, I will be more active on social media. So, make sure to follow Home Baked Gems, both on Facebook and Instagram. Makichika kayo dun sa ating community chat. It's called Home Baked Gems. Magbibigay ako ng updates doon. Chichikahin ko kayo and everything. And yeah, stay happy, stay healthy, and I will keep baking for hearts like yours. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.